never snooze on me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me. I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me.
Welcome to Halloweek. Today is day one. I am so freaking excited because for 7 straight days we're having a new Halloween makeup look costume idea for you guys. And this week I really wanted it to be something chill, not something, I didn't want the costumes to be super expensive that you have to go out in the store and buy like a whole head to toe costume. All of these ideas, I created a look that's pretty simple that you can just have a laid back like clothing costume, but your like makeup is bomb, your nails are gonna be bomb, and I just wanted to give you a really laid back vibe that is actually really cool, and each look is going to be really neat and you're going to stand out. They're going to be very unique. So I hope you really are excited for Halloween. If you are, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I'm uploading every single day this week for 7 days. You guys, not only am I giving you a makeup look with the costume idea, I'm also giving you guys nail ideas to go with each individual costume. I filmed a little mini tutorial for each of my costumes, each of my Halloween looks, a nail look, and that's going to be over on my Instagram, Bondbeautyful. It's going to be on my feed every single day. You come watch this Halloween video, you come watch the makeup, and then go to my Instagram to see the nails that I paired up with each makeup. That is really cool and easy to do. I hope you guys really like that. Also, if you're interested in any Halloweek shirts, I'll link my store down below. You can go check it out. You can go support me there and get a shirt. Tag me on Instagram, tag me on stories, come say hi to me, comment below, tell me how much you love this look. Today we're starting out pretty easy. It's just gonna be makeup. There's gonna be no special effects or anything like that. And it is the Pirate Queen. So I have the Pirate Queen here with some bomb nails and with a little twist, because if you go under any UV light, under any blue lights, you're gonna get like a half skeleton. Just, it's gonna look really cool. So I hope that that little twist kind of makes this whole look really unique. And I know all the time whenever you go to a haunted house, they have those flashing lights. It's going to be really cool when you're under those flashing lights and you are a pirate, but you are like a half pirate X-ray skeleton, and it's going to just really look really neat. And I love how it turned out. I absolutely love how it turned out, you guys. So I hope that you do too. And yeah, let's just get started with the Pirate Queen. Okay, so I am going to link these contacts down below, and I do have a coupon code, so make sure you check it out. But we're going to start with the brows. I wanted to do something a little bit more bold, so I am going to go in with a pencil. I'm going to go in with the brow gel, and then I'm going to chisel them out with a concealer to really make them pop and make them bold. But you do you. You do your Pirate Queen however you would like to do your Pirate Queen.
They don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny.
Now we're going to go into the eyes. We're using the Colourpop Misunderstood palette. I'm going into this creamy shade, putting it in as a transition shade. And then I'm going to go in with a darker, almost orangey burnt brown, and I'm going to start working that into the crease. I wanted to go with like a bronzy, golden type of colors with a little bit of like the red, the classic pirate purple. So for some reason my camera turned off when I was doing this, but I'm using this beautiful shimmery shade from the Misunderstood palette all over the lid. You can use your finger, you can use a brush. I am not doing a cut crease, but I am using a flat brush, and I'm spraying my brush to make it look like it's a cut crease. This is like a fake cut crease because I'm really chiseling out that form on the lid. But it's 10 times easier than putting on concealer and trying to do it that way, I find.
I was dreaming but with food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snooze, don't be. I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like
I'm going to use a wipey to really clean off the edge because I want the edge to be very, very cleaned out and it to have like almost a cat eye look. Then I'm going to go into this golden shade from the palette. It's so gorgeous. I'm going to spray my brush. I'm going to have a thin liner brush and I'm going to use it to cut out the crease. So this is a legit fake cut crease. This is a faux cut crease, but it looks really beautiful and I love this little hint of gold. It really pulls the whole look together. Sorry for my voice sounding raspy. I'm coming down with a cold, but hopefully I get better. And you're not gonna have to hear the Halloween. This is my Halloween voice, let's just say that. So we're starting with the face. I'm gonna use a primer. I'm gonna use a really beautiful glowy foundation. I'm gonna use concealer. I'm gonna set my makeup, and then we're gonna start bronzing the face.
They was sleeping, they was snooze on me. I was dreaming but with food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me. I was seizing opportunity.
So I'm using the Fenty cream bronzer in Teddy. It's a little bit dark, but a little tip, you guys, for Halloween, go heavier on the makeup, go darker, go more vibrant, because you are going out in darker lighting, and if you want to see your makeup and really pop in dim lighting, you need to put more makeup on. So that's just a little tip, but you do you. So I'm really packing it on this Halloweek. I'm bronzing. Everything I use will be linked below so you can check that out. But I'm really bronzing because she's supposed to be tan. She's a pirate queen. And I'm using this beautiful Milani blush all over, and I'm taking a blending brush as well and putting the Milani blush up towards the eyes, and that color just really melted it all in and it looks beautiful. Then in the lower lashes, I'm putting this like burnt brown orange and this like red brown on my lower lashes. I'm also going to put black very close to the lashes. I'm going to blend that all out. I'm going to smoke it out with some black. I'm going to put black eyeliner in the tight and waterline. And then I'm going to pop some lashes on. I'm going to do a liquid liner. I wanted to do almost like a cat eye, but not so catty. But I find that this really makes it look gorgeous whenever I have the lashes on. So that's why I'm doing that. I also am doing the inner corner liner, but it is very difficult, I'm not gonna lie, so you don't have to do that. So now that the eyes are completely done and the face is completely or almost done, I'm going to pop some highlighter on. I'm going to put some highlighter underneath the brows. I'm just using this gold one from Anastasia. It's the Amrezy highlight. I know was limited edition, but just find a gold highlight to kind of go with that bronzy look. Set your face, and then we're ready for the lips. For the lips, I wanted to do like a darker burnt red. I think that's just the classic pirate look, and I definitely wanted to go with that. I think it just made the look feel more real. And this is the look. You could definitely stop here, or you can take it a step further. Now that I've done the Pirate Queen makeup, you can definitely stop here, but I'm gonna go a little bit sci-fi. So anytime you're going up to like the haunted houses with the flashing UV lights, you know, woo! You can have like a sci-fi, like X-ray skeleton side that I think would be really cool and very unexpected. So that's what we're gonna do. But before I do that, I just wanted to let you guys know that all the contacts that I'm wearing in this Halloweek are from Unicoeye. These are prescription contacts, so you can get a lot of cool ones with prescription if you need to, or you can just get regular contacts. They have black, white, purple, blue, green, some that look very natural and really cool, gray, just like all these beautiful colors, brown, auburn, like all these beautiful contacts. I really love them, and they're just amazing, and I recommend them. They're very comfortable, they don't bother at all, and the fact that they have prescription ones is absolutely amazing. And this is probably the brand that I feel like, as far as color contacts goes, that look the most natural on brown eyes and actually cover up your brown eyes. So these are brown eye approved, you guys. I will link them below, and I have a coupon code for you guys. This is not sponsored, but I do have a coupon code to help you guys out, so check it down below. But yeah, the ones that I'm wearing today are the Topaz ones. These ones are Topaz. And so these are some awesome water activated paints. This is what we're going to use. Again, everything's linked down below. Let's cue the voiceover. Okay, so you can see that these are UV paints. These are amazing. I'm going to take the white. The white is actually, if you use a light hand, is more clear, which is absolutely amazing. I mean, I'll talk about it here in a second, but I'm going kind of heavy-handed so I can really see what I'm doing, and I'm going to outline a skull on that side of the face, which I think is so cool, and I go back and forth with the UV light so I can really see my design. So I do want to mention with these paints, if you use the white, it really is UV under the like blue light, the purple light, the UV light, and it's so light. If you use the brush that comes with this kit and you use a very light hand, it actually, you won't see it that much. Like when it's nighttime, I mean, like I already did this eye and you can barely see it on camera in front of lights. So at night, you won't even be able to see the side until you get underneath the UV light. Check this out. See that? How freaking cool that is? So that's kind of the whole idea behind this. Definitely recommend this kit, and there's a bunch of amazing colors for you to use in any look at any time. So these are safe for the face. So I'm using a light hand, I'm using this, and I know it's difficult to see, but hopefully I can bring you guys in really close and you can really see what I'm making a skull on this side, but under the UV light, whoa, it's gonna just look gorgeous. I'm gonna try to follow my own cheekbones and kind of go off of a picture. Definitely do that. I find that that's the easiest thing to do. But this can totally be sloppy, honestly. Like I made this kind of sloppy and I think it still looked really cool because it's just an unexpected thing.
You never had a chance like an abortion. You don't want to play with me, this forfeit. Oh shit, took it to a place that never thought he could. Now the lone wolf is hounding up in Bollywood. Now I got some confidence, they call me cocky. But you fucking tiger in the eye, I feel like Rocky. I am untouchable, I cannot fuck with you.
I wanted to make my skull more angry, so I'm kind of adding that line, and then I'm going to go in and kind of put almost like cracks in the skull so it can look a little bit more real, but I'm not going to go really too much into detail. Now if you're good at doing skulls, you can really make it like a detailed half skull, and that would look really awesome, but I just wanted to go a little bit more simple.
but you can see when I turn off the UV light that it's actually hard to detect that I even have a paint in there, especially when it's dark. So that's what makes it so cool. Definitely recommend this palette. I used it a couple times in Halloweek. I will link it below, and it's so affordable. So here I am putting on the cracks and the little bit of details.
I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snooze, don't be. I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for another Halloween costume idea, Halloween video, nails, makeup, the whole thing. I linked everything that I used below, you guys, so check out the description box, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.